How to live stream Mobile Legends on YouTube. Here's how to start streaming your Mobile Legends gameplay to YouTube. Simple, beginner friendly, and done entirely from your phone. Step 1. Go to youtube.com and sign in. Click your profile picture, then YouTube Studio, and then Create, and then click on Go Live. If it's your first time, you'll need to verify your account. This takes up to 24 hours, so do it early. Step 2. Download a streaming app like Streamlabs, Omelette Arcade, or Turnip from the Google Play Store or App Store. These apps are free and work well with Mobile Legends. Step 3. Open the app and sign in. Go to Settings or Account section and connect your YouTube channel. This allows the app to stream directly to your channel. Step 4. In the app, create a new stream. Enter your title, description, and choose the game as Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Adjust resolution and frame rates if needed. 720 pixels is great for smooth streams. Step 5. Open Mobile Legends, then return to your streaming app and hit Start Broadcast. The app will record your screen and send the live feed straight to YouTube. Step 6. When you're done, stop the stream from your app. YouTube will automatically save it to your channel so others can re-watch it. Just a little heads up, you don't need a PC or capture card. These mobile apps handle everything from screen capture to live chat, and they're completely free. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.